Good morning, students. Hope that by the grace of Almighty, all of you are fine. My dear students, today I want to give a lecture on cash flow statement. Now, definition of cash flow statement. The cash flow statement is concerned with the flow of cash in and cash out of the business. Another way, a statement of cash flows reports the cash receipts and cash payment of an organization during a particular period. According to IAS 7, cash flow statement is prepared with three activities or functions. Number 1, operating activities. Number 2, investing activities. And number 3, financing activities. Cash flow statement is prepared in two methods, such as direct method and indirect method. Noted that direct method is not applicable for you. Okay, dear students? My dear students, now let's go to see a specimen. Calculation of net cash provided by operating activities. At first, company name. Second, cash flow statement. Within bracket, partial. For the year ended 31st December 2016, 17 or 18. Then cash flows from operating activities. My dear student, mind it. Only cash flows from operating activities will be started with net profit or net loss. Okay, dear students. Now, adjustments to reconcile net income to net cash. My dear students, just mind it. There are four elements which will be added. Number 1, depreciation or amortization, loss on sale of fixed assets, decrease in current assets, increase in current liabilities. Okay, dear student, and another 4 items will be deducted, such as amortization of premium, gain on sale of fixed assets, increase in current assets, and decrease in current liabilities. Okay, dear students, then from this figure we will get this figure. Okay, dear student, and finally we will get this figure, and it will be write down in this way: net cash provided or used by operating activities. My dear students, now let's go to see another specimen. Calculation of net cash provided by investing activities. Then cash flows from investing activities. Under this title, we should write down sale of fixed assets or securities or investment will be added. But purchase or increase of fixed assets or securities or investment will be deducted. Then from these two figures we will get this figure. My dear students, if this figure is positive, then we should write down in this way: net cash provided by investing activities. Or if negative figure, then we should write down in this way: net cash used by investing activities. Okay, dear students? Dear students, last specimen, calculation of net cash provided by financing activities. Okay, dear students, now cash flows from financing activities. Under this title, issuance or sale of share or bond or long term liabilities or long term loan, that is debenture, will be added. But paid up or redemption of share or bond or long term loan such as debenture will be deducted, and dividend paid or drawing for sole proprietorship business will be deducted. Okay, dear students, finally from this figure we will get this figure. If this figure is positive, then we should write down net cash provided by financing activities. Or if negative figure, then we should write down in this way: net cash used by financing activities. Okay, dear students, and most important note you should write down from here. Okay, dear students, that's all. Next, see you.